example, but
Yes, like in here.
like this one?
Yes.
Oh, I see.
Yes. It was 2021 October.
Mm-hmm.
It was the same, like revealing Botox for him, and he did something for the eyes, but I don't remember what it was.
So you know that after products that actually settles out after 2 weeks, so you cannot feel something like see the result. You know, because we can sometimes like for products to affect your muscle, make it smaller, and so right after the procedure, for example, if it's there, will have a lot, so they will still feel that there's like all the time, it's not effect, but the effect will come after 2 weeks. Do you have any medical condition that you need to know?
No, really.
Some problems with your heart disease, some blood issues?
Well, I have nothing confirmed. If I walk a lot or drink a lot of coffee, I have heart goes fast, but I never have problem with the Botox.
Some allergies?
Just regular dog, cat
Allergy.
allergy.
It's like nothing. Okay, that's good. Do you have some questions? Do you?
I wonder for how long does the effect stays, like the Botox?
The Botox effect stays usually for 3 to 5 months.
It's like very painful or like
When you have like the bigger muscles, yeah, usually it will be more kind of numb feeling. So, but it's not painful at all. You know, it's more about the procedure that's you have like some injections, but it's not that painful. Yeah, the most painful part when you can have Botox is just around your eyes. It was more sensitive area.
And like let's say a younger person wanna come, like which age is like we can start doing Botox?
Actually, Botox is really safe, like even for children. But usually, children doesn't need to have a Botox. Yeah, so it's like Botox is usually used for to prevent some kind of wrinkles that you have, like for example, on your forehead, or just like to make your face slimmer and the jaw bottoms, or just to prevent the smile lines here, because with the age, when we're just aging, we cannot cover it with a cosmetic, with some products and things. So people usually do start doing Botox, especially when we are from their 20s.
I do have a question. Like you mentioned, some people do Botox around the eyes. Like I'm 30, so I'm starting to get here. We can do Botox near eyes too?
Not near the eyes, like the Botox near the eyes can be done, because here's like not muscle that we can affect. The muscles are located right here, on this area. And so just like if you have some wrinkles here, so it can be filled with your fat, for example, or with the fillers, or like the other eye fat reposition, for example, or just lower the plastic. So we can work with not the muscle level, but the fat level, and also your skin.
Alright, thank you. I would like to do the blue line Botox and forehead, because I'm 30, so I'm starting to get the wrinkles. I used to do Botox around here.
You want this crease?
Yes.
Do you have any question?
Like, should I worry about the pain?
Pain?
Yeah.
No, I don't think so. It's not too painful.
What is pain?
It is, I have a very little pain tolerance, but it's okay. It's worth it.
So, first of all, nice to meet you. Hello. So can you please introduce yourself first?
Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Jenny. I'm a Brazilian YouTuber. I used to live in Korea, but right now I'm just traveling. And here's my favorite place to come. So here I am again.
Why is your favorite place to come? Please tell us.
I like to take care of myself a lot. I'm always worried about my self-image. So I love doing skincare and Botox because I want to feel good with my health. So that's why that's my favorite place to be, I guess.
Have you done any kind of procedures, like plastic surgery procedures?
When I was 21, I did my nose job in Korea, and I did kind of a fat thingy under my eye, like move the fat. I don't really know the procedure name, and I do Botox since I was 20. So.
Thank you. Is it comfortable for foreigners to come to Korea and do some plastic surgery stuff?
I think online we can find plenty of, not really information, we can find plenty of like, we can hear about the plastic surgery places, but we don't really have plenty of information, I guess, translated. So that's why I really like talking first with Seoul Medical. So that's the reason I like to contact Seoul Medical first, because they will always help me to translate. It's pretty hard. My Korean's not the best, and I have many friends and family that doesn't speak Korean at all, so they need a translator or help. I believe we can see a lot of information about like, oh, they do the best plastic surgery, but we don't find information enough to call or email them.
So you find like texting is a way of communication when you just like live overseas and you have like some bunch of questions about surgeries and procedures.
Yes, for me talking to Seoul Medical is pretty convenient because it doesn't matter the time, like we have 12 hours time difference at least for me, so they are almost 24 hours there for me. They answer me any kind of questions. They make me feel comfy about doing my procedures. If I'm worried about something, they explain everything. They come with me, they translate for me, they make me feel home. So I think that's a very big point for me. And yes, texting makes everything easy and quickly.
Okay, thank you so much. Feedbacks about the doctor, about the procedures itself, like what is convenient, comfortable. The doctors like speak English, so what is good for you?
The doctors speak English. He's very friendly, at least. It makes me feel comfortable, and he asked all my questions. I really like the environment and the doctor, and yeah.
Because like you're like Brazilian, but you did your nose jobs like in Korea. So do you kind of worry that like Korean plastic surgeons will do like differently, not the shape that you want? Because like you have like a different features, and just like, do you think that other people also need to worry before coming to Korean clinics?
Sincerely, I never had any worries. I always had in my mind that Korea is the best place for plastic surgery, like facial plastic surgery or any facial related things. So Korea is my #1, is my favorite place. And I think people don't really have to worry. I believe doctors here for face, they're the best in the world. And I think they understand 100%, even though our face can be different, like we have different type of bone and skin structure or anything, they know exactly what they're doing.
Words to people who want to do surgeries in Korea, but who are just, thinking about it, like searching about it, what do you want to tell them?
Well, if you want to come to Korea to do any kind of treatment or plastic surgery, come. You're not going to regret it. You will love it. The only problem is you'll want to do more and you want to come back again. And if you don't speak Korean, that's not a problem. So that medical can help you 100%. no worries, just come, have fun, enjoy your trip, enjoy your new face, and go back home happy.
Okay, have a good time. Bye.